guys, today we are going to be doing a carpet and this kind of, what's it called, a photo frame or picture frame thing, and I'm going to show you how to be headless, get green, red and blue horns, and how to have the special kind of body that everyone wish. So let's start with the carpets. So the carpet is 2210271326, and you enter that code. Oh shit! And when you enter that code, it will give you a carpet. And they give you this carpet. It's quite nice, and we will have 2 photo frames, so we only need 2 here, and we only need 2 here. So the first one is 5212884207. As you can see, it is right here in the corner where the blue mark is, and yeah, so we enter that code, you press it, and you get this very kind of unique painting. And we have this, the other one, and you just type in 5574237238, and as you can see, it's here too at the blue dot there, and you type it in, and you get this very luxurious painting. Now we will get to the bodies, and I'm going to show you how you get your face. First, you go to all and you delete this face, and you get your normal water face. You go to equip, you press the ID. The ID is 134082579, and as you can see, it's right here, around here, like here, and you just press the same thing. I usually save 1340822579, and you just enter and you add, and as you can see, you turn headless. Okay, you turn headless. You are headless now. Okay, now you get the leg. Now you get the legs. You go to body, you press this, you go to search core blocks, and you see this around here. You press this leg over. You press this leg, and you see that you get that. And if you don't want the legs, and if you want the legs to be plumb, you press this as well, and you press it back, and it looks plumb. So yeah. And now the horns, you go to equip, you press the ID again, and the horns are and red horns are 21571815, and you enter that code, you get the red horns. And if you don't want the red horns, you do another, and you want the blue horns, it will be 74891470, and you enter that code, you get the blue horns. And if you don't want the corn and where you want the green, you put 1744060292, and you enter that code, you get the greenhorns. And usually for me, I'll add all three together, and it will usually turn out into, where is the outfit? Here. It will turn out into this kind, and it will have like all three colors in. And it depends, the horn color, it depends on which one you put last. And so yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. I will try making more Roblox videos. And yeah, my friend is now playing Bloxburg, but I haven't got any kind of Robux yet. But how did I turn into this? This is my normal account. This is how I actually look like, but this is how I look like in Bloxburg in Berry Avenue. But I'm getting Robux like next week or this week, it depends. So hope you guys liked the video, and I'll be mostly posting in Berry Avenue and mostly posting it on a Friday to Sunday morning, I guess, because I'm not allowed to use my phone during the weekdays because I have work and I have tuition. Like today after 4 I have tuition. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and yep, love y'all.
And clearly I don't see myself up on the list. She said, will you